225 train, Neariot Avenue, 233rd Street, 225 Street, 219 Street, Gun Hill Road, Burke Avenue, Allerton Avenue, Pelham Parkway, Bronx Park East, East 180 Street, West Farms Square, East Tremont Avenue, 174th Street, Freeman Street, Simpson Street, Intervale Avenue, Prospect Avenue, Jackson Avenue, 3rd Avenue, 149th Street, 149th Street, Grand Concourse, 138th Street, Grand Concourse, 125th Street, 86th Street, 59th Street, Grand Central, 42nd Street, 14th Street, Union Square, Wall Street, Bowling Green, Borough Hall, Nevin Street, Atlantic Avenue Bar, Franklin Avenue, Medgar Evers College, President Street, Medgar Evers College, Sterling Street, Winthrop Street, Church Avenue, Beverly Road, Newkirk Avenue, Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn College.